Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week, acquiring 10.83%. Or so they truly thought. The cost of Axie limitlessness truly rose by 0.93% in the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it certainly is presently $10.21. Amazingly, Axie in a real sense has its next opposition at $11.87. Exceptionally further appearance how Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the for the most part past week, acquiring 10.83%. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. 15 July 2023. In this article we will in a real sense walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on some things, facts. What especially is by and large transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness generally is acts as a truly wise speculation, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth. In any case, prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the Axie's specialized examination, essentially let us fundamentally discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a kind of enormous manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891. So 15 July 2023. In this article, we will truly walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now in sort of attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified pressing issues, facts. What basically is transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness fundamentally is acts as a sort of wise speculation, or so they basically thought. The all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $29,444,606,376, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25% in an essentially enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours in every practical sense enormous way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time period. Certainly further appearance how yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the Axie's specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the very current economic situations, or so they especially thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP especially, is up by 1.8 and at present exchanging at 72 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in Esteem, by and large further appearance. How while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span. Kind of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the Axie's specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market generally is going in an extremely descending heading for exceptionally present moment, which is genuinely huge. Right now, an especially broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of large manner. Axie boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they generally thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become genuinely more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is very huge. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters move pretty dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Axie vastness, Axes, Axie endlessness execution. The everyday outline of Axie limitlessness especially shows that the Axie's cost has sort of flooded up with a 0.93% increment in fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axie's coin in every practical sense, is remaining at $6.34, with market capitalization $756,339,681 United States dollars, which fundamentally shows that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers especially become genuinely more extremely dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they generally thought. Axie's cost changes 10.83% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is drifting around $40,131,518 United States dollars, which for the most part shows that Axie really has its by and large next obstruction at $11.87. Especially further appearance how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the for the most part past week, acquiring 10.83% in a significant manner. Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost examination for 15 July 2023, insight and especially everyday time span, explicitly made sense of beneath, showing how XRP the sort of local coin of XRP basically is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents in a sort of significant manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEXRSI, moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Axie vastness. So the value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axie's coin, essentially is remaining at $6.34, with market capitalization $756,339,681 United States dollars, which fundamentally shows that help truly is a level at which purchasers certainly become basically something else. All things considered, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they truly thought. The Axie endlessness in a real sense has explicitly break all its especially upholds levels and things explicitly are not looking especially great for the crypto market. Or so they generally thought. Presently, essentially bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Axie's cost beneath the pivotal help level of $10.21. Showing how we utilize extremely relative strength INDEXRSI, moving most certainly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Axie endlessness. So the value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axie's coin especially is remaining at $6.34.